Hello, and welcome to PayperWord.com, the first freelance writer platform for companies looking to hire writers utilizing AI-assisted writing tools. In this video, we'll talk about the amazing advances that AI writing tools have created for writers and companies alike. These tools are making it easier than ever for freelance writers to connect with businesses that are looking to hire workers who specialize in utilizing these new, powerful tools. So whether you're a writer who's looking for better opportunities or a business that wants to take advantage of the latest technology, PayperWord.com is the perfect place for you. Let's start with how it works for writers. PayperWord is the perfect platform for finding freelance work that suits your skills and availability. The sign-up process is quick and easy, and you can start building your portfolio of previous work immediately. Once you have a few samples of your work, people will be able to see what you're capable of and hire you for their own projects. You can choose which jobs to take on and how much you want to be paid. Payments are made through PayPal, so you can be sure that you'll receive your money promptly. All payments are held in escrow, so never worry about pulling an all-nighter and not getting paid for it ever again. This is a great opportunity to earn some extra money or even refocus your career. And don't forget how much faster and higher quality your writing will be with the help of AI. Now let's talk about how it works from a business perspective. If you're a business owner, then you know that time is money. The faster you can get your work done, the better. But you also want to make sure that the quality of your work is high because that reflects on your business as a whole. This is where PayperWord comes in. We provide a platform for businesses to connect with freelance writers who are utilizing AI-assisted writing tools. This means that you can get your work done quickly and efficiently without sacrificing quality. And because our writers are paid by the word, you only pay for what you need, so never have another surprise bill leaving you trying to figure out how you were charged for 7 hours of work on a 450-word blog post. PayperWord.com is the perfect solution for businesses who need quality content written but don't want to deal with the hassle of traditional hiring methods. With our platform, you can easily select the freelancer who is best suited for each particular writing project. This means that you can always get the perfect mix of quality and specialization that you need, without any of the headaches that come with managing a full-time staff. Plus, with thousands of experienced writers at your fingertips, you'll never have to worry about finding someone to handle your last-minute needs. PayperWord.com is the perfect solution for businesses who need quality content written quickly and efficiently. Detailed work portfolios and ratings and reviews from previous companies will allow you to search, sort, and select the perfect freelancer every time. Creating an account on PayperWord.com is quick and easy, and it's the first step toward getting your company started with AI writing. Once you have created your account and user profile, you can begin uploading job descriptions. Within minutes, you will start to receive proposals from highly qualified, vetted, screened, and reviewed freelance writers who can introduce your business to all of the benefits associated with AI writing. With PayperWord.com, there is no need to spend hours sifting through applications and portfolios. Our system does all of the work for you, so you can focus on your business. So stop waiting, create an account, and get started today to discover the power of AI writing.